Welcome back to Ferrari's Physics. Today's topic, force. Don't worry, nothing's getting broken, spilled, or emotionally damaged. Force is just a push or a pull. If you push, that's force. If you pull, that's force. Gravity tugging you toward the couch, also force. Big deal equation, F equals m times a. Mass is how much stuff. Acceleration is how fast your speed changes. Multiply them to find the force you need. This pillow has small mass. A gentle nudge moves it easily. Because it's light, I barely need any force. This bin has more mass. Same one-finger push, less motion. More mass means you need more force. Balanced forces cancel out. No movement. Unbalanced forces win. Things start moving. If something speeds up, slows down, or turns, a force acted on it, even if it's just 5 seconds of motivation. Look at that. Science in action. Next episode, work and energy.